If you've been browsing TikTok profiles and don't want people knowing you were checking them out, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how you can find and disable the setting, which allows other people to see if you've been visiting their profile. So just follow my steps. This process works exactly the same on both iPhone and Android devices. And let's start by simply opening the TikTok application and then navigate over to your profile page. You'll be able to see a little icon that looks like two shoes. And if I tap on this icon, it's going to show us a list of people that have visited our TikTok profile in the past 30 days. So other people whose profiles you visit will be able to see your name on their list also when you open their profile. But let's turn this feature off so that the other person won't know if you visited their profile or not. The feature which we're looking for is called Profile Views. And in order to turn it off, we're going to open our TikTok app settings page. After that, I'll open the privacy section. The next thing is to scroll all the way down until you see this option called Profile Views, and just disable this switch right here. What this will do is it will disable the profile view tracking entirely. So from now on, when you visit someone else's profile, your name won't show up on their viewers list. Keep in mind though, by turning this off, you also won't be able to see who's been viewing your profile anymore. It's a trade-off. You get privacy, but you lose that feature for yourself too.